has got a gift. All of us must go through the street. It may not be an easy road. It's good chance to have a friend. Are you ready to give your hands? Though it all, let's break this wall. Built up from fear and horror, these walls only bring us sorrow. It's time to tear down ugly walls. We'll relight our inner fire. Let's return our trust. Let us share our love to somebody else. With a simple, kindly word, you make someone's day bright. Let our kind approach break down these walls, these thorny walls. If you're living with closed door, nothing good can enter, though in the end, all is in your hands. Gradually opening up to the world, faith will definitely grow, and who knows, you'll find your love. Built up from fear and horror, these walls only bring us sorrow.